Thought of the day. Hello everyone. Here are the best thought of the day for classes first and second. So let's get started. Good morning teachers and my dear friends. Today's thought of the day is Thought of the day is education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Thought of the day is do not wait for tomorrow because tomorrow does not wait for you. Therefore, tomorrow always comes tomorrow. Thought of the day is winners are not people who never fail, but people who never quit. Thought of the day is happiness is the secret to all beauty. There is no beauty without happiness. Thought of the day is when you fill your mind with positive thoughts, your life will start to change. Thought of the day is no one born happy, but everyone is born with the ability to create happiness. Thought of the day is don't wait for good days to come. Make your days good. Thought of the day is our future depends on what we do in the present. Thought of the day is only you can change your life. No one will help you. Thought of the day is everything is easy if you are crazy. Nothing will be easy when you are lazy. Thought of the day is winners never do a different task, but they do it differently from others. Thank you.